Hi Canaries, today we're going to read Brown Bear, What Do You See? By Carle. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. See the red bird? Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Why the duck? You guys remember what the duck says? Like, quack, 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 quack. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. The horse, you see blue? Say, neigh. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. The cat, we know what a cat says. They say, meow, meow. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. The dog? And what does the dog say? Say, roof, roof. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. See, hold on. Children, what do you see? Do we remember all of them? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. The end.